Hate to say it, but Firebirds give me a run for my money.
Yeah, but it's a great project you're doing with Sarah. It's a good idea, babe.
It's a big year for her. Wow, 15.
Honey, all the time that I'm spending with Daniel for the campaign, you know I'd rather be here with you, right?
Even if my mug's not splattered all over a t-shirt.
Even if your sexy mug is not splattered all over a t-shirt.
You guys do have a bedroom down the hall with a door?
Ew.
Hey, is everything okay out there?
Yeah, things seem to have settled down. Fortunately, nobody's hurt. That's not what I came up here to talk about, though.
Thanks, John.
Here we go.
No. No. Hey, this one's on you, buddy. Now, we cannot have a repeat of what happened here today.
Yeah, well, I don't think you have to worry about that. I'm pretty much scarred for life, Dad.
Probably. Yeah, maybe you'll think twice next time. Look, you guys are both 15 years old. I get wanting to be intimate with someone. But that's an adult decision. And it comes with some pretty adult feelings that you might not be ready for yet. So, if and when you guys have any questions, you can always come to us, okay?
All right, how old were you the first time you know?
Older than both of you. I just want you guys to be responsible. And more importantly, you respect whoever you're with. Always. Is that clear?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Good talk.
Wait, does that mean that Mom's not going to talk to us now, or?
Oh, no. No, you're going to hear more than a few words from her. I think things are going to get back to normal around here. Finally.
What is it?
What's going on?
Well, I went to finally talk to Natalie, and I realized I couldn't let her leave again.
So what, they're moving here now, or?
They're gonna stay in Smallville for a while and see how they like it here. And if it's okay with you guys, stay at the farm until they find someplace to live.
Whatever we can do to help.
Natalie, this is my husband, Clark, and these are my boys, Jonathan and Jordan.
Hi. It's nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, you too. My dad's told me a lot about you guys.
Why don't we go inside and you guys can show her around?
Sure, yeah.
You sure you're okay with this?
Yeah, of course. Happy to help a friend.
Thanks, man.